What's good, y'all? Jesse X Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. I'm hyped, man. I'm super hyped. You know why? Because we're playing this game again called Sneak Thief. Yeah, it's a really cool game. We've played it before. I accidentally deleted it and stuff, but deleted the game. So we're doing it again. Yeah. This time we're gonna do more stuff. Oh, are you serious, that freaking guy? Boom. Hey, I'm fine with that. Yep.
Good job, man. This just might work. Go get some sleep and we'll pick this up in the morning.
Welcome back.
Hey, it was good. Nice. And he calls me right after.
109.
He's got to be like
Get me
watching
that
me.
TV and don't pawn it
Where
off.
are you? Where are you? Bro, I do something. He's like probably watching me and like yo. Oh my gosh, dude. Let's go. We got 55 cash. Yep, Black Bay.
I set up a page on...
Yep. Where do I buy it again? Here. Yep.
good work. Now here you can find... Oh.
Alright. Now we could go and go to the pawn shop, sell some stuff, and then we'll go break some dishes, and then that's where we left off. We broke the dishes, and then we tried to pick the lock, but we didn't.
Welcome
yeah,
back.
That's where we were. So we're close. Thank you so much, sir. Here, I'll be respectful. I'll close your door. 2 Street. Oh, I keep pressing the wrong thing.
I just heard you don't even know how to pick a lock.
Yep.
Go learn the basics. I'm sure you've got enough skill by now.
Oh. Skills. Learn. Can I learn this? Learn. Let's go. You got 0 points though. Details. Okay.
Great. Now, go buy yourself a DIY simple lockpick on Tools for Thieves.
Yep. This is where we left off. We bought the lockpick and then we tried to unlock that thing. The practice thing. Oh.
I left one in the garage.
Yep, I know. So I think where's the... Yep, there we go. There we go. Easy!
You did a good job on that old TV in the
Let's
empty house.
go!
For a real
I
job,
know how to do it now.
you gotta scope the joint. Go to 111 by 7
111.
a.m. and watch.
Okay, 7 a.m., 7 a.m. Sleep until 7 a.m. Sleep. Dude, we've never done this now. Till 7 a.m., I think. He said 7, yeah. Should I do 6 just to be on the safe side? Yeah. 7. Just sleep until 7. Alright. Now let's go. Make this quick. Alright. Ooh!
There's a box in there. Wait for them to leave and get me that box.
What's in the box, though? Freaking toys? Oh. I marked him, right? Mark him. Yep. So now, yeah, now we know. We can see where he is, you know, by doing this mark. Important box inside. Yo, what's in the box? This. Oh. Jump. So you can jump. Oh, okay. Yo, when you gonna leave, bro? What is this man doing? He just teleported away. Okay. Ooh, this again. There we go. That's too easy. Can we put 2 things in our trunk? Dude, we gotta make this quick. A radio! Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't sell the things before. I didn't sell the things that were... Oh, my gosh. I can't put it in, right? Oh. Okay, still have space. Now get the bag. Get the box. And... You know what? Get this TV, too. We out, baby. We out. Close this door. We out, boy. We out. We are out. Let's go. S tier thief. Let's go. Let's go to the pawn shop. Okay.
Welcome back.
Box to Black Bay. Okay. Thank you so much. Yo! 308? Let's go. I'm starting to get rich. Home. Alright. Black Bay. There we go. Watch this. He better call me. Ready? I knew it.
The Lombardis think their friend on Greenview needs a new window, but they think the one they got's fine. Go prove 'em wrong.
Oh my gosh. Break their window? Break the window at 112. This is not Breaking Simulator. I'm not even looking at the map. Hold up. Where's 112? 112. 112's right over here. Right over here. Alright. Right here. And ooh. So this is 112, huh? Nice. Place camera. Hold up. Wait. Is somebody in there? I forgot to check the... Oh my gosh. Should we just... You know what? Let's go. Delia Forum. Okay, 112. House security tips. Dang, that cost a lot. The back door has an easy lock. There's a pricey coffee machine in the kitchen. Ooh! There's no one home between 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Okay, so we have to let's do 12. Let's get to 12 a.m. Sleep until 12. Okay, it was like already 12. Go! Okay. Are they out yet? I think they're out. There is someone here. Hey! Let me get that. They're probably like, what the heck just happened to the music? Hopefully nobody comes out. Shoot. Okay. Back door. Easy lock. What if I run around? They still there! You know what? Screw it. Run! Oh my god! Hopefully this is a hiding spot. But bro, it's not 1 a.m. It's 1 p.m. Oh my. That's why they were still home. That's why. Hey. That's why they were home. was one What the heck? No! What the frick? What? What is going on? What is she doing? She just now she's there. What is going on? Is she being possessed? No. Let me mark her though. Bro, when do they leave? When do the police leave? Yo! Nah, bro, she has to have some teleportation power. There's no freaking way, bro. This game is crazy. The game might be just glitching, but like, she just disappeared again. She must have superpowers. She must have superpowers, dude. Bro, if I make this out, that one police guy is like stuck, but like they just moved. Hopefully they don't go to the garden. Run! Oh my gosh! Run! 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 They're going! I saw them go! Run! No way!
Yes! 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 Yes!
I made it!
Yes!
Oh, I made it! An F, you know, yeah, I get it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I made it out though.
Welcome back.
Welcome. Welcome back. Big items. Dang, bro, I couldn't even steal anything from there. Except for those things. Those 3 things. Home. Vinny. Vinny? Vinny? Do I have to break 2 of their windows? Okay, wait. I don't know, bro, but I'ma just sleep. I think I might have to do it again. I don't know where the kitchen is, so let's make some noise and see. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, she's out too. Let's go. Now we can steal all we want. They respawn. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Have my flashlight on. I forgot I had a flashlight. Alright, you guys. After this, we gonna end it. After we break the window and stuff, we ending it. Ooh! Let's go, man. Oh, we can't? Can we do anything now? We can hide. Nice. Alright. would come? Walking right past. Running right past. Oh my gosh, how? How? Alright, you guys. Freaking D. Alright, you guys. We are going to end
Welcome
it
back.
here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Wait, do a simple wait. Oh, now I can do open a standard lock. What? Lock picking level 2, let's go. I learned it. Nice. Think so. Skills. Skills. Yep, learn those, baby. Learn those. Alright, now let's get the lockpick. Nice. Alright. What? You need to lock the pin out at wait. Wait. Yes. Okay. Nice. This is pretty easy. And kind of fun. Nice, we did it.
If it ain't broke, fix it with a crowbar. Word on the street is the toilet in Greenview 113 is not broke.
Okay. So we have to go and freaking break a toilet. But we'll do that in the next video. We're gonna end it here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.